Here we are today for the Hispanic Heritage Month celebration, and our goal is for our small businesses to actually be informed of the upcoming solicitations for goods and services and construction, as well as meet some top-notch speakers, Hispanic speakers who are experts on supply chain management and also retaining, attracting employees, and of course cybersecurity, and also letting them know of their opportunity with the School District of Palm Beach County.
Offices of Business Diversity that the school district offers has been wonderful because they provide the training that you need to be successful and you need to move forward.
Our company was built with the notion that women-owned, minority-owned, Hispanic, veteran-owned businesses deserve an opportunity at competing for, to offer their products and services on a more level playing field.
Our Hispanic-owned businesses are the backbone of our community. We are proud to have them be in our community, and we want to make sure that they understand the process of how to effectively work with the district and be able to become collaborative partners in that work. So we are working hard to make sure that events like today and that communications that go out to them are, readily accessible, that our team is ready to respond to them in both English and Spanish, and that we're explaining the process of every single thing that needs to be checked off a list to be able to work together.
So we're here to just learn about how to better work with other communities within the Hispanic communities as well as other communities in different aspects.
Learn a lot about the different ways that people run businesses. I'm learning a lot about minority involvement in businesses.